NPM maintainer targets Russian users with data wiping protestware. By Any Bonny. NPM maintainer targets Russian users with data wiping protestware. Guerrilla warfare. A maintainer who sabotaged a popular NPM package in protest ATS invasion of Ukraine has been criticized for undermining trust in the open source ecosystem. RIA evangelist, aka Brandon Nozaki Miller, embedded malware or protestware, as he dubbed it into Node.js module Node IPCS latest stable release. If developers download the poisoned package and are geo-located in either Russia or Belarus, the malware wipes file contents and replaces them with a heart emoji. It also adds a with love from America.txt file containing a peace message onto the user's desktop directory. The NPM package, called Peace Not War, affected users of popular front-end JavaScript framework Vue.js. Since Node IPC is a nested dependency for Vue.js's command line tool, Vue.js CLI. Vue.js CLI has been cleaned up in versions 4.5.16 Plus and 5.0.3 Plus, tracked as Peace Not War has been deemed a critical, in a Liran Tal, Director of Developer Advocacy at developer security-focused platform Sneak, emphasized that Sneak stands with Ukraine, but questioned the wisdom of RIA evangelists' chosen form of protest. How does that reflect on the maintainer's future reputation and stake in the developer community? Tal said, would this maintainer ever be trusted again to not follow up on future acts in such or even more aggressive actions for any projects they participate in? Several developers also criticized the package sabotage on a related, in which RIA evangelist responded that you are free to lock your dependency to a version that does not include this. They added that it should serve as a safe example of why we teams should use explicit dependency versions. So it is always our choice to upgrade or not. RIA evangelist maintains more than 40 NPM packages in total, together accounting for several million weekly downloads. RIA evangelist published Peace Not War on March 8 with the source code description. This code serves as a non-destructive example of why controlling your node modules is important. It also serves as a non-violent protest against Russia's aggression that threatens the world right now. This module will add a message of peace on your users' desktops. And it will only do it if it does not already exist, just to be polite. PeaceNotWar began accruing downloads when the module became a dependency to an inter-process communication module that is downloaded more than 1 million times a week. This happened with Node IPC version 10.1.1, released on March 7, as well as 10.1.2. launched shortly after with the possible purpose, Tal speculated, of triggering automated dependency upgrades. Then on March 8, the maintainer remedied the vulnerability they had introduced with the release of version 10.1.3.HOWEVER. Less than 4 hours later, another vulnerable version, 11.0.0, appeared that, instead of having malicious code directly in the source of this package, the Peace Not War package, the impact was ramped up a week later. On March 15, when 9.2.2, an update to the module's stable 9.x branch, landed with Peace Not War bundled. It also featured Colors, another NPM package by its maintainer for a purported protest-related motive in January 2022. Sync recommends that developers avoid the Node IPC package altogether, and if it is already bundled with their project, to override the sabotaged versions. The complexity of nested dependencies, such as on the NPM.js ecosystem, has once again proven the compounding impact that they have across key ecosystem projects, said Liran Tal. Gaining skills in how to manage software dependencies at scale is becoming evidently more important, as well as ensuring that you as a developer are following NPM security best practices. And learning about security pitfalls and incidents such as why NPM lock files can be a security blind spot for injecting malicious modules.